The following is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service for the following counties in New Jersey: Cumberland, eastern Monmouth, southeastern Burlington, and western Monmouth. What? South winds 35 to 45 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of southern Delaware and central and southern New Jersey. When? From 6 p.m. Tuesday to 4 a.m. Wednesday. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside around trees. Use caution if you must drive. The following